Good morning, guys. My name is Nandivardhan Reddy from Information Technology, bearing roll number of 2095-11248. Today's subject is computer network. And in the topic, in the subject, I taken a topic of packet switching and delays. Let's discuss about this packet switching and delays. How this delays were it happens. All this will In this topic, we will see about introduction, packet switching process, and advantages and disadvantages. Let's discuss about the introduction. When a user accesses the internet or another computer network outside their immediate location, messages are, messages are sent through the network of transmission media. The technique of transferring the information from one computer network to another computer network is known as switching. Switching is a computer network is achieved by using switches. A switch is a small hardware device which is used to join multiple computers together with one local area network, LAN. You can say LAN as local area network. Okay. What is packet switching? Means packet switching is a method of transferring the data to a network in form of packets. In order to transfer the file fast and efficiently manner over the network and minimize the transmission latency. The data is broken into small pieces of variable length called packets. At the destination, all these packets, small parts, all this when we divide the data into small packets, no, or at the destination, all these small packets have to be reassembled belonging to the same set. A packet composes a payload and various control information. No pre-setup or reservation of source is needed. See, this is a block diagram of packaging. Zoom it. We'll see all this. Okay, canvas. No, sender. Here, sender is sending the data in the format A, B, C, D. Here, these are all these are intermediate nodes. Okay, this data was transferring. First, this A came from this intermediate node to this way. A is traveling, and B came from this node to in this way. B was traveling. B, okay. Then C came in this way, and D came in this way. But here, when A starts to move first, then A received first. Okay. Then B, then C, then D. In the order, if we not get in the order, then the data will be mismatched. Or if any packet is missed, then the data will be totally lost. Okay. In the but it is the efficient and fastest manner to transfer the data from sender to receiver by making the data into packets. This is about the block diagram of packet switching. Okay. Next. This is how the process was done in the last diagram. Let's discuss it. Packet switching uses stores and forward technique. While switching the packet, while forwarding the packet to each hope, first stores the packet, then forward. This technique is very beneficial because packet may be discarded at any hop due to some reason. More than one path is possible between a pair of source and destination. Each packet contains source and destination address, using which they independently travel through the network. In other words, packets belong to the same file may or may not travel through the same path. If there is a congestion at the some path. Packets are allowed to choose different paths possible over an existing network. Packet-switched networks were designed to overcome the weaknesses of circuit-switched networks. Since circuit-switched networks were not very efficient for smaller machines, augmented these are modes of packet switching: connection-oriented packet switching, connectionless packet switching. This connection-oriented packet switching called virtual circuit. Connectionless packet switching are called as datagram. Let's see this diagram clearly. Can we see this? Okay, got it. This is the about the data transfer phase and the tear down phase. See, the data all goes sent in this manner. All were done in same manner. Okay, this is all about okay modes of transfer. Let's go on to next. Connection on. Let's discuss about this. Connection-oriented packet switching. Virtual circuit. Before starting the transmission, is establish a logical path or virtual connection using signal signalizing protocol between sender and receiver, and all packets belonging to this flow will flow this different route. Virtual circuit ID is provided by switches or routers to uniquely identify this virtual connection. Data is divided into small units, and all these small units are appended with the help of sequence numbers. Overall, these pages taken place here. The setup, data, and transfer and tear down phase. This is the second one on connectionless packet switching data. Unlike connection-oriented packet switching, in connection-less packet switching, each packet contains all necessary addressing information such as source address, destination address, and port number, etc. In datagram packet switching, each packet is treated independently. Packets belonging to one flow may take different routes because routing decisions are made dynamically. So packets arrived at the destination might be out of order. It it is it has no connection setup and tear down phase like virtual circuit. Packet delivery is not guaranteed in connectionless packet switching. So reliable delivery must be provided by end system using Arsenal protocols. This is the diagram. Okay, this is data packet switching diagram. Okay, datagram network. Advantages of packet switch: more efficient in terms of bandwidth. Since the concept of reserving circuit is not there, minimal transmission latency, more reliable as the destination can detect the missing packet, more fault tolerant because packets may flow a different path in case any link is down, unlike circuit switching. Cost effective and cost comparatively cheaper to implement. The disadvantages of packet switching over circuit switching: more efficient in terms of bandwidth. Since the concept of reserving circuit is now there, minimal transmission latency, more reliable as a destination can detect the missing packet, more fault tolerant because packets may follow the different path in case link is down, or unlike circuit switching. Cost effective and comparatively cheaper to implement. Delay in packet switching. A to R1 and R2 to B. A is the sender or start. R1 R2 are two routers that store and forward data. B is receiver destination. To send a packet from A to B, there are delays since there is a store and forward network. types of delay, transmission delay, propagation delay, que- queuing delay, queuing delay, processing delay. This all about the delays. Okay, let's this above the information of got from reference taken from CRISPR, genes and internet. Thank you.